Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify ShareASale merchant access before publishing offers. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify your ShareASale merchant access before publishing offers, start by logging into your ShareASale account. Once logged in, navigate to the Merchants tab in the dashboard. Click on Merchant Account to access your merchant settings. Review the account information displayed to ensure it matches your business details. Next, scroll down to the Access section to check your current status. Look for any notifications or warnings that may indicate access issues. If you see a message about incomplete verification, follow the prompts to address any outstanding requirements. After addressing any issues, confirm your access status again. If your access is still not verified, consider reaching out to ShareASale support for assistance. Use the support chat or email options provided on their website for direct communication. Once your access is confirmed, you're ready to begin publishing your offers. Make sure to review all offer guidelines to ensure compliance. Start by creating your first offer in the Offers section. Fill out all required fields accurately to avoid any delays. Once your offer is created, it will be reviewed by ShareASale. Monitor the status of your offer in the dashboard for approval updates. If everything is in order, your offer will be published and available to affiliates. Regularly check back to ensure your offer remains active and to make any necessary adjustments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.